5 cost me 289, and this is only for rupees 179. This vase is, I mean, it's so hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new haul. So if you are following me for the past couple of days, months, I would say, I was trying to figure it out and set up my proper functional workspace right there. Also, I was very tight on time and also I was very tight on budget, so I finally set up my workspace, which is very functional according to my words, under a very beautiful budget right there. I did pull out everything from home decors to organizers and my desk as well, under rupees 5,000. So if you have a similar POV and you are also trying to set up your workspace, if you are a content creator or a girl just like me trying to put up beautiful decors right there, this haul is just for you. So everything I did, I shopped from Amazon, so it was pretty much convenient. So if you guys are interested to know how I did that, please do carry on watching this video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to makeup, beauty, lifestyle on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay now, let's get quickly jump into the video. Okay, so I think we will first start with the organizers. So I have brought like different types of organizers right there. So the first thing I'll be showing you the beautiful pink color का organizer right there. Then these are pretty small, बहुत ही छोटा सा है. I bought 2 of them. These are the organizer. This is how it looks like. So basically I have stored my lipstick, all my lipsticks right here, and my eye palettes and few of my blushes. These are basically the ones which I need for my regular use. Then I think you will judge me. I don't need this many for regular use, but then I have to make videos, you know how it works then. So these are the stuff that goes on my racks, and I really need each of them for everyday use right there. Then I mean, that's crazy, but that's how it is. So these are the beautiful 2 organizers that I got. These are very plasticky, and I know I am not a great fan of plastic material like this, but then it's very easy to clean, because I also bought my jute, जो कि मैं भी दिखाऊंगी, जो jute वाला organizers and the clothes वाला organizers, that catches dirt very easily. The last day, it was Sunday, I was cleaning it out. This all cleaned so beautifully. But the clothes one, which are very expensive, not very expensive, those are so hard to clean. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good, decent organizer right there. Then for the piece of 2, I got it for 500 rupees, like 2 of them in a set of 2. You get in a set of 2, 3, 4, as per your wish you can get that. So yeah, that's the first one that I bought, and it's so useful. Already you can see I have used it. So moving to the next type of organizer, which is a jute organizer right here. It's so cute, and it's so aesthetically pleasing. I mean, how? So this is a very beautiful beige and white. So this is how it look like. Mainly I have stored all my sunscreen over here, and yeah, sunscreen and also my hairsprays there. This one has a structure, but then you can see how flimsy it is. So because of the material of this, and it's very heavy right now, I can't hold it for a longer time. Also have my serum, my favorite serum, and all my sunscreens right here. It's a very beautiful organizer right there. Then it's very aesthetically pleasing right there, but then it's hard to clean and how. But anyways, I love it. I think I will buy more of it. So yeah, this is the next one. And the cost of this jute organizer is 270 or 300 each on Amazon. All the links will be in the description box below, so don't worry. Okay, so moving to the third type of organizer which I have is a cloth one, and which looks something like this. It's have beautiful this holding ka thing right there, the ropes going on right here. It's all tied and all. It's beautiful. It's in the size medium, which is very spacious right there. So this is how the medium size look like. It's quite big, and it carries all the thing in bulks. It's quite structured than the jute one, because it maintain it's really nice and well. So this is how the one look like. I do have a similar one, but in the size small, and which looks like this. It's a baby one. Just, I cannot show both. Yeah, I can. Just look at the size difference. The bigger one, the medium, and this is small. So it's a lot of difference in size. So according to your preference, कैसे भी तुम्हारा जो भी the space you have, you can order it accordingly. So this is very cute, smaller one. So where I kept all my cartoons basically, because I need for some of the videos right there. So this is the small one. Both got the similar prints. It's a gray at the bottom and white at the top. I love white. Okay, not for wearing, but then for my for my rooms and everything. You definitely must have gotten an idea that how much I love whites in my room. So anyways, whites and blues are my aesthetic. So basically this is how the organizer look like. I have literally many of them, so I have just shown you one reference of each. So that's all for the organizers. Okay, so now moving to some decor stuff and talking about white, I have beautiful white curtains that I ordered from Amazon. If you see my this reels and shorts type of video, you must be seeing on my background मेरे पीछे जो दरवाजा है, that's my washroom का दरवाजा, which is covered with this beautiful white curtains right there. So this curtain comes in a pair of two. It's a beautiful white curtain. Just you can see my wall and this white. It's very shiny polyester material it got, and it's very inexpensive. So for the set of two, it comes around 500 or so, like 250 each. But you don't get, I think, one piece. You have to take it in two pieces right there. Then, but yeah, it's a very beautiful cotton polyester ka cotton right there then, and the length is great. It comes like a 7 feet length, so I think length won't be a factor. Cotton, I absolutely love it, and the quality is pretty great. Even sometimes अगर इसमें धूल भी लग जाए, it's very easy to clean. So that's the best thing. And white को वैसे भी ज़्यादा देर maintain नहीं कर सकते हो if you are like me then, but it works pretty great for me. So I absolutely love this curtain. I don't know what else to say, and it's a very nice one. I absolutely love it. Okay, so moving to the next decor item that goes on my desk right there then, and I absolutely love it, is this beautiful tulip flowers right there. I know you have seen this all over the place right now, and these are very aesthetically pleasing, I would say, and Pinterest में हर जगह ये flowers दिखता है. So these are the beautiful pink tulip flowers right there. Then that comes in a stack of 5. Love it. And along with that, I was going to take this glass ka vase, but I was like, no, I don't think I can maintain it. So that's why I got this white vase right here. The shape of this vase is very beautiful. I always wanted this, but then I wanted in a glass, but I know that I cannot maintain, so I bought it in a plasticky material like this. Very inexpensive, both of them. I guess this one, so the flowers for the stack of 5 cost me 289, and this is only for rupees 179. This vase is, I mean, it's so beautiful, and this looks stunning on my desk. There's no alternative that I can search for, and it's very inexpensive on Amazon. You can definitely, if you are wanting it, you can definitely search there. Not that harsh, plasticky and pokey. It's very rubbery, soft, just like a flower how it is, except the smell. Okay, so the next decor items, I got some fridge magnets. So I got this fridge magnets to stick on my to-do list right there. मैं fridge में क्या करती हूँ, अपना to-do list बनाती हूँ on this Simba lifestyle का pages में, and I just stick it with the help of this fridge magnet right there. In Amazon, you will be getting so many options. I was initially doubting कि इसका quality कैसे होएगा करके, but it is so beautiful. So I got a set of this 4 right there then. So these are the fridge magnets that I got. So first is a very beautiful this Starbucks ka, then it got chai and coffee, everything. Let me give you a closer view. So first is this right here. It's got this fake Starbucks thing right, probably going on right there. Then the cappuccino, I don't know what it's called, frappe or something. So this is the next one. Then there's this chai. Absolute favorite of me, high on chai, and this. The creativity loads on the chai gets in to your system. So yeah. You can just really have it as it is own just to stick on your fridge and decorate, but it's very functional for me because I have told you all, I stick my to-do list right there, then what I need to film and what I need to do basically for my entire day right there. So these are very inexpensive as well because it costs you like 25 rupees each. आपको 100 rupees में आराम से मिल जाएगा. And Amazon got very beautiful options as well. You can definitely do check out. So yeah, these are the next type of items that I got and very functional. Everything I got according to my work and yeah, उस perspective में this haul is made. So yeah. Okay, so the next decor stuff is very beautiful. This miniatures right going on from Harry Potter. You know I'm a Potterhead and I did bought this from Amazon, but I really wish that I have bought it from there itself on the platform. I got these 3 very beautiful miniatures of Harry Potter, Hermione and Ron right there from Sarojini, and I found that ये Amazon पे भी मिलता है but at a really lower prices than what I paid for there at Sarojini. I mean, it's crazy, but yeah, it's happened to me. So that's why I'm recommending this if you want this miniature things right there, which are very very cute by far. And I, let me tell you, it मेरा ना जो desk का aura है ये just keeps it मतलब at the next level or so. I really love this, and if you are a Potterhead, you definitely need to have this. So this all comes at 600 or so, जो कि Amazon में it has a set of 3 मिलता है. So definitely do check out if you are into this stuff and all then. And yeah, I really love it. So this also stays on my desk and looks amazing. I will show you how my desk looks soon right there then. But yeah, these are the miniatures you can definitely consider from Amazon because they are at a very very cheap price. And मैंने market price भी देखा, which is not expensive, मतलब comparatively it's higher on the market, and Amazon पे आपको बहुत सस्ते में मिलेगा. So these are the next thing that I have as a decor. So yeah, I absolutely love this. So I have spent like 900 for this, like 300 each, but on Amazon you will be getting for 600 or 700 or so. So yeah, these are the next decors. So don't ask me how this helps in your work because it's everything. I'm a Potterhead and I need this, and this gives me magical strength to work. So that's how it helps me to work basically. So yeah. So the next thing is a very beautiful side table. I was eyeing on this for a quite long time now. मैं घर पे भी जब थी ना, I was really wanting to get that, but घर पे ना उतना जगह नहीं था. But इधर भी जगह तो वैसे भी नहीं है. But anyways, I got this for my this planter specifically to keep it there, and I will show you how it looks because it's not that big. It's a very small, teeny one, and it's so beautiful. It has this, I think, hexagonal shape and has this wooden stacks of 3 right there, 3 legs right there, and it's a beautiful side table right there. You can definitely consider. The only thing is that the polishing and the finish of the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सनमाइका या फिर the upper layer of it which is white color, I don't remember exactly, which is not that great. कहीं कहीं ऐसे scratches होता है. So लेकिन अगर आप उसको पास में जाके देखोगे then only you can understand, otherwise not. It looks absolutely great. You can have this in a black one also. I bought this white, which I absolutely love it, and my planter has its own space. I think that's great. So this is a very beautiful one which will cost you around 300. Definitely a thumbs up from my side. Amazon पे ये बहुत सारे sellers sell करते हैं, and yeah, I will be linking from where I have gotten them. So yeah, that's the next thing that I got. So yeah. Moving to the final one and the showstopper of this all right there is my desk, and I cannot believe the desk turned out super good. I believe that I bought this from this brand called Callus or something like that, starts with C, I do remember that. And this is a very beautiful desk, although it's a little bit of flimsy kind of, and you have to have a really great strength to just accumulate it, because it took me the whole day just to assemble that big table right there. All the measurements and everything is written on the website as well. You can check it from there. It's a good one. The finishings are are not that great as per the pricing, because pricing is very low, so you cannot really expect a lot, but then it's a very good desk right there. It goes with the aesthetic one of my wall. It's white, beautiful. It also got this one layer where you can keep your all the books and your diaries, your notepad and everything right there. Then it's a pretty good one, not like the IKEA wala finish. Did not accept that. IKEA's ones are the great one, although I was under a very tight budget, so that's why I got this. So this desk cost me only rupees 2000, and it's a very pretty desk. If you are considering for like 1 to 2 years, you can definitely buy this desk. And yeah, it's a good one. I think that will last. If you are taking good care of it, it will last for longer time as well. Just I'm giving you the POV. If you are going for like a great one for your home and stuff, where you know you will be living for eternal, then you do not consider this table for sure. But if it's a matter of few years or so, definitely go for it. It's very nice on pockets and as well as does the job. So I really love my desk, and however, like the way I decorated it with all the deco stuffs right there, I have shown you from Amazon itself. It looks so good. Okay, so that's it for this video. So that's how I have set up my workspace under a very tight budget of rupees 5000, and I have done it all right there then. So that's it for this video. Do let me know what should I try next, what should you will be interested to see on my channel right there then. I would love to make a video on that. So with that, I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much.